What is up, YouTube? How you doing, you surf skaters? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys a radical maneuver that's never been done before on a surf skate. Today I'm going to teach you how to do a 540 180 McTwist, 367 degrees Fahrenheit, -2 subtract 4 divided by 8 with the water, floater off the top, re-entry, finish off with a 360, and then another floater at the end. Let's get into it, guys.
Who the hell was that guy? I mean, that trick sounds way too radical even for me. But hey, we're back here. We're doing another tutorial. My name is Leighton Petit and I'm a professional surf skater. And welcome back to the channel, guys. I know it's been a minute. It's literally been raining for the last 3 weeks here. So I haven't been able to get out there and skate. But the sun has made an appearance today. It's shining. The sun's out. So we're here. We're back into another tutorial. And I'm going to be teaching you guys how to surf a bowl on your surf skate. So grab your surf skate, get hyped if you aren't already, and let's get into it. You! Alrighty guys, you already know the drill. Grab your surf skate. I'm riding the 34-inch Filipe Toledo Pro model. Oh, you guys already knew that already, didn't you? If you're in the market for one of these boards, check out a video I did on my channel. I did a review on this specific board, so check it out. If you're wondering whether this board's the right one for you, check out that video. It might help you decide. Now, there are a couple of videos that I want you guys to watch before we dive into this tutorial. Number one is how to generate speed. If you haven't checked out that video already, make sure you do, because we're going to be applying a lot of mechanics from that video in this tutorial today. And the second one is how to drop in. It's going to be a lot handier if you know how to drop in on a surf skate to ride the bowl. If you don't know how to drop in, you're not confident yet, don't sweat it. It's all good. We're still going to be learning how to ride the bowl. And saying that, that's all. So let's dive into this tutorial and break it down for you. Alright, now the first thing that we want to do before we surf the bowl, before we start learning to surf the bowl, is just go down and check out the bowl at your local park. Just sort of mind surf it. That's what I want you to do. Just look at it, absorb it all, sort of mind surf it. See where the turns are, just see all the different sections that are in the bowl and just mind surf it. Okay, get an idea of what you want to do, what sections you want to hit, and just sort of mind surf it. That way, you're going to sort of have an understanding, an idea of what you want to do in the bowl before you get in there. After that, jump in the bowl. You don't have to drop in. Just jump in the bowl and just sort of skate around a bit. Just get the feel of the bowl, go up some ramps, and sort of figure out your line. So what I mean about your line is where you're going. Your line is sort of where you want to go in the bowl. So say if there's a section over here and I'm starting over here and I got to get over there, but there's a lot of turns and stuff in the bowl to get to that section. I got to plan out my line. So I got to drop in, figure out how I'm going to have enough speed to get to that section I want to hit and what angle I want to go at. So to get there, I might have to drop down, come up this ramp, come up the other one, drop down, boom, turn and hit that. So that's my line. That's the line that I'm taking. So just sort of skate around and see what sort of lines work for you. See what you visualized in your head. See if that's going to be applicable to when you're in there, because you might visualize something, oh, that'd be cool to come up here, do that turn, hit that section, but you get in the bowl and it's not going to work out. So you got to sort of figure out another different sort of line. So if you just want to go around in a circle, that's fine too. You're still drawing that line. But if you want to go up and hit a section, you got to sort of figure out that line that you want to take. Now, once you got that sort of figured out, now we can start learning how to surf the bowl. And all it is, it's pretty simple. That stuff before, drawing your line, finding your line and all that kind of stuff, that's the technical stuff. This stuff is very easy. So if you know how to generate speed, you got to know how to surf the bowl. So all it is compression and extension. So what I want you to do is just come up and hit a section. So get some speed up. If you have to go up and down the ramp a couple of times, and then you can start drawing the line to get the speed up, that's fine. If you want to go drop in and get straight into it, do that. So all you have to do is, once you drop in or once you have your speed up, come up and look at the section that you want to hit. And as you do that, as you're approaching that section, you're looking at the section that you want to hit. You come down, you compress with your knees, and you look up at that section, you come up and extend, throw your arms up. And once you get to the top of that section there, all you have to do is rotate your head, rotate your shoulders, look down and come down that ramp and compress again. And as you come down and compress, you ride out of it. You can come up and extend again, or you can go straight back into another turn and come up and hit that section, hit another section and come back down. So that's all it is when surfing the boulders. It's just that compression and extension. To get that height up the ramp, you want to throw your arms up, and then once you get to the top of the ramp, you sort of want to compress a little, turn your head, rotate your shoulders and hips, down that ramp, compress and drive out of that turn and straight up into the next one. So once you have that down pat, now you can sort of get creative with it and get technical with it. So like I was saying before with your line and stuff, if you have a big section over here and this big bowl part, and there's a section that curves, you want to hit that section, but you're starting off on the other side of the other side of the bowl. All you have to do is drop down, plan out your line, come up that section, compress and extend, come up that section, compress and extend, then come up and hit that section at the right angle. So it's all about figuring out what your bowl at your local park is like, figuring out where the sections are in that bowl and the sections that you want to hit. But at the end of the day, it's pretty simple. That's all the technical stuff. It's just sort of figuring out your line. So just go in there, surf around a bit, sort of figure out what works for you, what sections you want to hit, and then you can start getting into the technical stuff and start bowl riding properly. So, you.
What's up guys, it's been exactly about 2.5 months since I tore my AC joint in my right shoulder at this skate park, but now we're back and getting it done again. I'll show you what happened. I dropped in here on this side to go up and around and hit that section over there. So what I've done is I dropped in here, come down, had a heap of speed, come up here, hit this section here, and then come around and gone up to hit this section, but I've slipped out around here, the bottom of my board, come out and fell off and snagged my shoulder and busted my AC joint. Yeah, we're back after 2 months, so it's good to be back. Yoo!
that wraps up today's video, guys. Nah, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed that little tutorial. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Follow me on Instagram at LeightonLePetite and tag me in your surf skating videos if you want me to give you some feedback on your surf skate technique. Let me know in the comments below what you guys want to see next. Not sure if I said that already, but put it down in the comment section below and let me know what you guys want to see next. Alright, and if you want to see that 540 360 twist, let me know. I can do that for you. Nah, I'm just kidding. But yeah, seriously, let me know what you want to see next. Until then, guys, happy surf skating. Go out there and shred. Have fun, and I will catch you guys in the next video. You!